How might the future of gaming and entertainment look with the intervention of quantum technology? Take a moment and ponder. We're not talking about just a marginal upgrade or a new console release. We're delving into a realm where gaming transcends the boundaries of reality as we know it. Today, the gaming and entertainment industry is a thriving behemoth, a bustling universe teeming with creativity and innovation. We've seen the evolution from the pixelated charm of the arcade era to the cinematic and immersive experiences of today's AAA titles. From the simplicity of Pong to the intricate world building of the latest RPGs, gaming has come a long way. Yet we stand at the precipice of a new frontier, a quantum leap, if you will. Imagine stepping into a game where the world adapts and evolves in real time, where the physics aren't just coded rules, but a living, breathing entity. That's the promise of quantum technology. Quantum technology, with its potential to process vast amounts of data and simulate complex systems, could revolutionize our gaming experiences. It could optimize game design, enhance graphics rendering, and bring physics simulations to life like never before. The worlds we navigate could become as unpredictable and mysterious as our own, filled with endless possibilities. Driving this quantum revolution is a complex mathematical framework known as the McGinty Equation. This equation, with its intricate layers of quantum field theory and fractal potentials, is the engine that powers these quantum simulations. It's the magic formula that could bring to life the worlds we've only dreamed of exploring. The McGinty Equation, in its various forms and modifications, harnesses the perturbative effects of gravity and the self-similar fractal structure of potential fields. It's a tool that could bring us closer to blending the line between the virtual and the real, between the game and the gamer. The McGinty Equation is the key driver behind these quantum simulations. But what is it exactly? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this fascinating equation and the quantum future of gaming and entertainment. The McGinty Equation might sound complex, but in reality, it's just a mathematical way of describing how quantum simulations work. Imagine you're at a high-tech amusement park, and the McGinty Equation is the blueprint for all the thrilling rides. It's a formula that architects the digital landscapes and the adrenaline-pumping experiences of quantum gaming and entertainment. Let's break it down. The equation begins with piece xt. Think of this as the overall experience of your virtual ride. Now, this experience is built upon two main attractions, represented by piece qft xt and piece fractal xtdmqs. PSQFT-XT is like the basic roller coaster structure, the foundation of the ride. It's the solution of free quantum field theory, which means it's the bare bones physics that makes the simulation possible. Next, we have fractal XTDMQS. This is the intricate loops, twists, and turns of the coaster that make your heart race. It symbolizes the fractal potential term, a self-similar structure that brings complexity and excitement to your journey. The parameters D, M, Q, and S are like the specifications of these loops and turns, their height, sharpness, speed, and so on. The modified McGinty Equation adds another layer, gravity X TG. This is like the gravity that keeps you in your seat, no matter how wild the ride gets. It represents the effects of gravity on the quantum field, with G being a parameter that characterizes the strength of the gravitational force. Finally, the fractal correction term can be seen as the safety regulations ensuring everything runs smoothly. It's derived using integral calculus, Laplace transform, and the convolution theorem, making sure the ride is not only thrilling but also safe and reliable. So, the McGinty Equation is the mathematical backbone of these quantum simulations. But how does this translate into gaming? Quantum simulations, driven by the McGinty Equation, are set to revolutionize the gaming industry. And if you think that's just a lot of tech jargon, let's break it down a bit. Imagine a game world that is so immersive, so detailed, so real, that you can't tell where reality ends and the game begins. That's the promise of quantum simulations. These aren't just high-definition graphics we're talking about. These are entire universes, built from the ground up using the principles of quantum physics. Let's take game design, for instance. With quantum simulations, designers can create landscapes that evolve over time, react to player actions, and even generate their own weather patterns. Cities can grow, civilizations can rise and fall, and every single action can have a ripple effect that changes the course of the game. And then there's graphics rendering. Quantum algorithms can manage millions of light particles simultaneously, creating realistic shadows, reflections, and lighting effects. Imagine seeing the sun set in a virtual world, and every ray of light is perfectly rendered, bouncing off the water, filtering through the trees, casting long shadows that stretch out towards the horizon. But perhaps the most exciting development is in physics simulations. Quantum simulations can model everything from the flow of water to the movement of clouds. They can simulate the way fabric moves in the wind, the way a fire spreads through a forest, or the way a building collapses under its own weight. These aren't just pre-programmed animations. These are real-time dynamic simulations that respond to the world around them. This level of realism and interactivity has the potential to completely change the way we play games. It's not just about winning or losing anymore. It's about exploration, discovery, and interaction. It's about living in a world that feels as real as our own, with its own rules, its own history, and its own future. Quantum gaming and entertainment isn't just a concept, it's the future, and it's closer than you might think. So buckle up, because we're about to take a leap into a new era of immersive entertainment. Quantum technology is not just changing gaming, it's revolutionizing it. It's like a digital Big Bang, setting off a chain reaction of innovation. Think about it, quantum-driven simulations are creating immersive virtual worlds that are more than just pretty pixels. They're living, breathing universes teeming with possibilities. Quantum algorithms are optimizing game design, graphics rendering, and physics simulations. They're pushing the envelope, stretching the canvas of creativity in ways we never thought possible. And it's not just about gaming, it's about entertainment as a whole. Imagine movies, concerts, art installations, all enhanced by the power of quantum technology. It's a seismic shift, a new paradigm. It's a future where the line between reality and virtuality is blurred, where the impossible becomes possible. Quantum gaming and entertainment is here, and it's redefining what we thought was possible. So are you ready to step into the future?